Hello, welcome back to Next Gen Networkers. Let's learn what is the difference between public IP address versus private IP address. So we'll start with public IP address. Public IP address is a globally unique IP address assigned to your network by your ISP, means Internet Service Provider. It's how the outside world internet sees your network. Key features of public IP address. Globally unique. No two devices on the internet can have the same IP address at the same time. Public IPs are assigned by your ISPs and it is used to identify your entire network on the internet. Public IPs are accessible from anywhere on the internet unless blocked by firewall or NAT rule. Public IPs use cases. Hosting a website or a server from home or office. Second, with public IP, you can connect your private network remotely via port forwarding. Next is, what is private IP address? A private IP address is used inside your local network, like your home or office. It's not routable on the internet directly and is meant for internal communication between devices. Key features of private IP address. Private IP address used within LANs, local area networks. Private IPs are not reachable from the internet directly. Private IPs are assigned by your router or DHCP server. Multiple private networks can use the same range of private IPs. Use cases of private IP address. Communication between devices like PCs, printers, IoT devices. Second is security cameras, smart TVs, and mobile devices within a home network. Now we will see how private IP address and public IP address work together. Most users operate on a private IP address behind a router. The router uses NAT, Network Address Translation, to map multiple private IPs to a single public IP. This allows multiple devices in your network to share one public IP when connecting to the internet. Now we'll see security differences. Public IPs are visible to internet, but private IPs are not. They stay within local network. Risk of attacks are high for public IPs, but not for private IPs. Private IPs are much safer because it's hidden from the external threats. For public IPs, firewall is required for security purpose, but for private IPs, it's optional. But still, it's a good idea to go with the firewall. NAT will be not required for public IPs, but it will be required for private IPs to talk to the internet. Now we will see private IP address range. So start with class A. Class A starts with 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255. Class B 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255, and class C 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. These three A, B, C classes used within local networks, not routable on the internet. These are the private IP address ranges. Now we will see IP address classes A, B, C, D, E and their first octet range. So class A starts from 1 to 126. 127 is reserved for loopback. Class B 128 to 191. Class C 192 to 223. Class D 224 to 239 and class E 240 to 255. Thanks for watching. Follow Next Gen Networkers. We are building better networks together. Thank you.